Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to indent paragraphs in Canva. This is a simple way to improve text formatting and make content more organized and readable. Now, on the Canva dashboard, for example, we will go to this project so that we can indent a paragraph. To indent the paragraph, all we have to do is click the text and go to the first letter of the paragraph. Then, press the Tab button on the keyboard. Once we press that, it will indent if we press Tab. Let's take, for example, this situation. Let's create more space. Let's go find another project. Let's take, for example, this case. Let's create another project. Here, we can have this paragraph. Now, if we want to indent the text or paragraph, all we have to do is manually add a space. As we can see, it will put a space. Now let's say we have a second paragraph and we want to add an indent. Again, all we have to do is manually add a space so that it can be indented with the paragraph for better viewing. This guide will help adjust paragraph spacing and indentation using Canva text tools. And that's how we indent paragraphs in Canva. With this simple formatting trick, we can enhance readability and give designs a more polished look.